Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we are going to run Alpha One iBot. It's a free binary option robot that is working in the cloud. You can sign up for this robot also, just use the link you see up there right now, or use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also, this robot will only work if you use my link. If you use any other link, you will not have Alpha One iBot, and you need to deposit $250 compared with $100 with me. Okay? Also below the video you find a link to my WhatsApp community. There I have Forex signals and binary option signals. So if you have any interest about that, check it out. But now let's start up Alpha One iBot. $269 profit in just 7 minutes. How amazing is that? You can use this robot also. Just use the link you see up here right now, this roboting, or you can just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.